everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vedika and welcome to today's video. So today's video is gonna be a skincare sesh with me and Nature Essence, and I really wanted to try these out, so I thought to save it for today's video. Okay, so I have applied this mask and now we'll have to wait for another 15 minutes to wipe this off, and then we'll see the results of the first tube. We'll still have 4 more tubes to go and I'm pretty excited. Also, I really want to tell you about some of the benefits of these facial kits. So what I feel, according to me, very time saving, that you have to go to the parlor. One thing that I really like about this mask is that it's not feeling too sticky on the skin. So most of the wipe off mask that we apply, they are very sticky. They feel very sticky on the skin. It's very difficult to actually apply them for 15 minutes, but this feels so light on the skin. So the one we applied right now is the Detan Therapy Wipe Off Mask, and it's a pre-facial prep. Okay, so meeting you guys after 15 minutes, and now it's time to remove the mask. Okay, so I wiped off the mask and my skin feels so fresh right now. Okay, so now we're gonna use the first step of our facial, which is gonna be cleanse, and this is the almond cleanser. Yes, so it's a lotion. Like, we just have to apply it on our skin and gently massage the skin for 2 minutes, and that's it. So let's try this out. We've taken a lot of it. We are done with the first step, which was to cleanse, and it was pretty quick and simple. So now we're gonna move on to the second step, which is condition, and it's an orange scrub pack, I guess. Yeah, so it's orange scrub and pack, and we have to apply it on our skin, massage it for 3 minutes, and then we have to leave this scrub for about 5 minutes on our skin. Let's get started with the second step. So it smells like orange.
Again, this is also very light on the skin, doesn't feel too sticky. Really like these things. Like, I have tried a lot of scrubs and masks this lockdown. This one is really nice. The smell, I'm just talking and I'm not using these in a proper way. I don't feel
So I just removed the orange scrub, and you can see the difference yourself. Like, each step I do, I feel like my skin is getting softer and it's glowing more. Firstly, it's so relaxing and it's making my skin glow. It's making my skin better. So okay, so now we're gonna move on to the third step, which is to nourish the skin. So it's a massage cream. So it's a saffron massage cream, and what we have to do in this,
you have to apply the cream in dots on your skin, massage it gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward direction.
of my clips got deleted. That third process went great as well. So we just had to massage our face for 13 minutes, and yeah, that was it. Fourth and the last process was to polish our skin, and this was the apple pack.
And in this, we had to apply the pack in a layer over our face and neck and close our eyes and relax for 7 minutes while the potent green apple extract in the pack refreshes and tones our skin. And then we had to wash it off, and yeah, that was it.
I'm just gonna go now and relax for 7 minutes. Close my eyes and relax. Okay, so I guess it has started to dry. So after a good relaxing session, this is how my face looks like. I have wiped off the pack, and I would definitely recommend you all to go and try this out. They're really amazing. Such amazing results. Like, you can see it yourself and guarantees you a good relaxing time. So yeah, and I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, make sure that you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.